Airtable is a versatile tool that can be effectively used for managing inventory. Here's how to use it. Create a base. Start by creating a new base in Airtable. You can create one from scratch or use an inventory management template available in Airtable. Create tables. In your base, set up tables for different inventory categories like products, suppliers, and stock movements. The products table will contain fields like product name, SKU, description, category, and price. The suppliers table can store information like supplier name, contact details, and lead time. The stock movements table helps track inventory changes, such as incoming stock and outgoing stock. Add fields. Add relevant fields to each table. For products, you can include fields like quantity in stock, reorder level, cost, and sales price. For stock movements, include date, quantity in and out, and reason for the movement. Track inventory levels. Use views like Grid View or Kanban View to manage stock visually. You can create filters to see products that are low in stock or nearing the reorder level. Automations. Set up automations to receive notifications when stock levels are low or when you need to reorder.